Woohoo! Woohoo! How's your trip?
Good.
Hi guys!
Hello!
Welcome to our channel! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Caliraya!
Yay!
Yay! Sa Villa Ipa! Maganda siya! Itutour namin kayo dito sa loob ng bahay. Nakita niya ito sa Airbnb. Ilan ang kaya nito? 20?
Siguro kasi ang laki nung apat yung rooms niya sa loob na maraming bed. So, makita natin mamaya.
So, tara! Pasukin natin ang magandang Airbnb find na ito.
Okay.
So, ito ang entrance. Parang bahay ko, no? House tour! Tuloy po kayo! So, yung living room niya dito, malaki. So, dalawang floors ito. So, ito yung second floor. Dito muna tayo, diretso tayo sa labas. Meron siyang parang overlooking na veranda. It's nice. Oh, pagpunta mo pa lang dito, kita mo na kaagad yung magandang view ng lake. So, ganda niya. Kitang-kita mo ang mga scenery. Tapos, pag pumunta kayo ng ganitong panahon, December eh. Ang lamig.
Sobrang ginaw.
Nagdala ako ng swimsuit pero parang hindi ko kaya. Ang lamig niya.
Tagay tayo pero lulublob ka sa tubig.
Oo. So dito makikita mo yung lake. Tapos sa baba, pag dumungaw ka, matatanaw mo din yung swimming pool nila sa baba. Yan.
Doon na yung mga chikiting.
Naliligo na sila sa silay. Ito, merong 4 na rooms. Isang master at 3 adjacent na rooms. Ito yung master.
Hi Iris!
Lalamig na lamig siya.
Tapos ka na maligo?
Nanginginig siya. Tapos nang siya eh. Hindi ka rin babae.
Gininaw siya. Nag-swim na siya sa swimming pool.
Bakit maitim ka na? Nangitim?
Say hi! Hi! Wala pa siya sa mood. Hi! Ayun si Lola. Kasama namin si Lola. Itong master, connected siya dun sa kabila. Meron siyang connecting CR. Tada! CR nila. May heater. Ito na lang kasi malamig. Ito yung kadugtong na kwarto. Sudan! Galing sa kwarto, makikita mo ang view sa labas. Tapos, meron pa dito na another room. May isa pang room dito na may 3 beds naman. Tapos, meron pa ulit isa pang room. Oh, ito yung naka-detach na CR. Tapos, meron pa isa pang room dito. Yan. Pang-4 na room. Na meron ding 3 beds. Dami, diba? Malaking-malaki yung lugar para sa aming labing-dala.
Okay, so we're here. Hi boys! How are you? Is it cold? Is it cold? You won't drown? Di ba, Kuya Lens, you already know how to float before? Oh, go. Oh, like that. Paddle, you have to kick like a bicycle. Like riding a bike. Like that. Is it cold? Wow. So we're here at Villa Ipa, Caliraya. Johnny, Johnny.
Lalamig na eh.
Yes,
Can
Andala.
you do this?
Ito na po.
Without it, put in water? What's there?
Asan na si Ate Ann?
Ay, floating pala to.
Is it cold?
No.
It's warm, really?
Tulog ka pa.
Tingnan mo kasi Tita Erica, oh. Wow, a rainbow. And it's drizzling.
Mami, yung si Iris nasa winter wonderland.
Hi, Reese.
Kala mo, ikaw lang manunulak ha? Kala mo.
Wow. Come here.
Ta!
Come!
Dali!
May sila yun.
Bilisan mo na!
Ang lamig.
Clap, clap, clap. Sa skill.
Tahol.
Dati kumaya na rin.
Hello. Sobrang lamig kaya kailangan ko hot choco. Sarap. Hi, Iris.
Mami, hindi ko nabukit.
Tingnan mo to, kailan...
Hi!
Hi.
Are you having fun? Did you enjoy your swim?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wait, the whole day was about swimming.
Yeah, the whole day was about swimming and tomorrow will be about eating and swimming. Later we're gonna play a game.
We'll play Squid Games.
Oh yeah, we can play Squid Game. Hi! Hi Lalay!
Hi.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy your stay? No, are you enjoying your stay? We're not yet leaving. We're gonna stay here until tomorrow. Oh, do you like that?
Yes.
Why are your lips blue?
He put it in the water too long. He started to
It's cold. Your lips are blue.
I'm so cold. I wanna see.
There. Oh.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is when
Where are we now?
Yeah,
Kariraya.
Kaleraya.
Did you swim here in Kaliraya?
Yeah.
Is it hot or cold?
Go.
Very cold and hot too?
And then it became hot.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
And then we did the back.
Sulitin ang mga Instagrammable place dito. Picture lang kami ng picture. Hindi pumunta para mag-swimming kasi ang lamig. Okay, dito lang daw muna kami sa yung arch. Sarap ng lake. Ito yun, oh. Tadan! Does it look good? Tignan natin. Let's take some photos. Ayan, nakapag photo na kami pero madilim na. So, balik na kami at tingnan namin yung mga nagkakantahan.
Yes, tawas na kami sa mandatory prenup.
Ayan. Bakit? Uy, di ba TV natin yan? So ngayon, dahil magagabi na ay video time na para hindi kami magpapatulog. Kainan muna kami dahil maraming pagkain.
Lang ha? Kuya!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kuya.
Mother.
Morning, Mother. Good morning, Iris. Stand up, baby. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning.
Going to the race. Yeah, we should start it, right?
Oh,
Nag-ano siya, naglalim.
it's deeper now. Ah,
Eh, huwag kang mag-ano. Okay, all aboard.
where are we going? Who's the captain of the ship?
Kuya.
Kuya?
Jack. Prey. Yeah, it's trying to catch prey. Ah, it is morning. We're gonna go home later, so we have to maximize.
Wow, hot choco.
Daddy,
Good morning.
Good morning. Excited na yung mga boys. Early in the morning. Swimming agad.
I'll get dressed.
Ah, ang sarap ng hot choco early in the morning.
Ang lamig kasi. Super lamig.
Tsaka ang ganda ng view.
This is not yours, it's
Ayan.
Kuya.
Ito yung view mo early in the morning. Oh.
Kuya, oh.
Ayun, may nagbo-boat pa sa lake. You're going to swim? Okay, just be careful. What? Is it so cold?
Yeah.
Malilipid ko muna kapag. Lala, ito mas... Very good, you.
Wow, swimming lesson with mommy.
Go. Flutter kick. Just keep doing that. Flutter. Chin up. You have to float. Okay, I'm gonna let go of your tummy. You have to stay afloat. Flutter kick. Go. Kick the floor and then go back up again. Start pumping. See? I'm biking. Look. Hey, you're not look.
It's so cold. Kuya, walk towards the boat. What's that?
Do you know what they're laughing at? No?
So, how is it, Kuya Lance? Are you enjoying the stay here?
Yeah.
Really? How many times did you fall? Because it was slippery.
So,
Two. Game! Wait lang.
Medyo malakas lang.
Kaya mo ba ako?
Okay.
One.
Sana okay lang kayo. Okay guys, naglalayo sila guys.
Okay, it's mommy's turn now.
One.
Yeah, go!
Three.
She,
Four. Five.
ang pangit naman ng ano mo, mami.
Lalaro kami ng red light, green light mamaya. Bawal gumalaw.
Pag gumala, ano, iwanan na nagulat.
Babasahin ng tubig na malamig. Ah, para saan ka gumigising?
Para kanino ka bumabangon?
Diba yung patalas na?
Kape. Para kanina ka bumabangon.
Ah, para kanino? Teka. Ah, para kanino ka bumabangon?
Yung isang balde, 450.
So mga 4 hours na lang, uuwi na kami. Pero ano, Susulitin namin. Ayan na si Ian. May dala-dala na siyang timba.
Isang bag.
Nagre-ready na siya. Maglalaro kami ng ano. Magsusquid game daw kami dito. Magta-tug of war kami at magre-red light, green light kami. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Ang hirap man naman dito magstay nang hindi gumagalaw kasi ang labig. Mangingikig kang ganyan sa labas. Let's see! I'm the doll. I'm the doll from Squid Game. I'm gonna say red light, green light. When I say green light, you can go. You can walk towards me. When I say red light, you should stop. Okay? No moving. If you move, you'll be terminated.
Oh no!
Okay?
Only 100 pesos.
But if you win,
First one?
You get 1,000.
the first one to get to me will get 100 petot. Yay! 100 petot! 100 petot. Are you ready?
Trial yan.
I'll go!
Red light! Red light! Red light! Green light! Red light!
Oh, red light daw.
Red light!
Out of box.
Red light!
You're out, kuya.
Red light! Green light! Red light! Red light!
Oh, Lalay! Don't move, Lalay! Go, Lalay!
Red light!
Lalay!
Red light! Green light! Red light! Green light! Red light!
Natalo na si Anshe. Hindi ka
Okay, Jack and Poy, race to fight.
Go! Rock, paper, scissors! Lens and light!
Go!
Go, light! Tulala pa siya eh. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, go!
Okay, 1 point.
Okay, Kuya Lens. Ready again. Rock, paper, scissors, go!
Ah,
One more. Rock, paper, scissors, go!
2 points.
Rock, paper, scissors, go!
2-1.
Si Lalay. Rock, paper, scissors, go! Bata, pick.
Stay here, Kuya Len.
Angie.
Ay,
Isa pa daw.
hindi.
Si Angie tsaka si Len.
Round 2. Fight.
Rock, paper, scissors, go! Rock, paper, scissors. One more, kuya. One more and you're the winner. Rock, paper, scissors, go!
How many do you have?
I don't have
Pick.
Bumawi.
Bato, bato, pick.
Malinis, malinis.
Kunin mo si Len, 50 ako ah.
Naiisahan ka eh.
Fight.
Rock, paper, scissors, go! Rock, paper, scissors, go! Rock, paper, scissors, go!
Wow! Nice game! Nice game! Oh, give it! Give this to Tita!
Hi! Pauwi na po kami. Kami ay papunta na ulit ng Manila.
Ano ba yun?
Did you guys have fun? Yeah! Pero busy na sila ulit. Ayan, nag-gadget na
Mami,
sila.
tanungin mo.
Beth, did you guys have fun? Did you have
naligo.
fun? Si Beth, 2 araw kami doon, hindi siya naligo.